In this video, I'll show you how you can get a custom cursor on your Windows PC. Now, first step is you want to come here and search for mouse settings, go to additional mouse options, and in here you want to head over to pointers. Now in here, there will already be some by default that you can select in here. But if you want to have a complete custom one, then you can head over to icons8.com, and in here you want to just search for cursor. Then you want to find the one you like. Let's say you want to do this blue one. Press download and choose custom size and select 64 by 64. Make sure it's a PNG and press download. Now once you have the download, you want to head over to this website, PNG to CUR, and we want to convert. Then you're just going to drag this in here and convert this one. Now wait for it to load like this. And once this is done converting, we should have a .cur file. So press download, and as you can see, I have that now. Then what I want to do is open up the folder where I have this. I have it right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag it anywhere. So let's say to the desktop. Then I'm going to close it down. And I should have this right here that we just opened. Then in here, what you want to do is you want to press on Browse, Desktop, and you want to find the cursor. Press Open, and it will be in here now. Press Apply, and now you have the new cursor, as you can see. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.